Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sandhya Khedekar. Today we will see what is exactly our role as a teacher in online teaching learning process and how we are leading towards education 4.0. So let me share my screen with you all for this. I think my screen is visible to all of you. So let me first tell you that there are many challenges because since COVID-19 situation, all the schools and colleges, we are teaching online and students are learning online. So we have to deal with lot many things sitting at college or sitting at home, and students are studying at their own pace, their own time, and we are facing lot many challenges. So first of all, the first important aspect is development of e-content, that how you are developing your e-content and how you are planning to complete your syllabi and how you can have this teaching learning process more impact making and more effective in this pandemic situation. And online teaching is one of the aspect that we have not learned in our education, that how to teach online. But this pandemic situation had taught all the teachers how to teach online. And we learned so many online apps, and we learned about different kind of methodologies and different tools of teaching online. Then we could get some technical training. Some teachers might have not get it, but while taking technical training, again, there was an aspect of self practice, because I believe when we are teaching online, we have to take technical training. And next is online assessment. Once we complete our teaching part, we had to take the assessment. We have to think about various aspects of examinations and how to conduct exam online. For that also we used many apps like Testmos or Google Forms or Socrative. There are many ways to assess online. So what tools to use was one of the important question in front of every teacher, because if you see there are thousands of apps available for teaching online, but what to use? And we did lot many faculty development program during this pandemic situation. I know there are teachers who were doing 2, 3, 4 webinars in a day, but ask yourself, are we doing webinars or online courses for sake of certificate or for real implementation? So whatever we are learning online, are we going to implement in the classroom situation? That is one of the important aspects, because we all are leading towards education 4.0. This image I have taken from Thailand Cyber University, TCU, and this shows that the first generation of education 1.0 was about lectures and memorization. We used to take lectures and students used to memorize. Then in 2.0, it was internet enabled learning. We used internet, some kind of internet, I'm saying. Then 3.0 is knowledge producing education. And now we are leading towards 4.0, that is innovative producing education. And what is innovation, my dear friends? With help of technology and with help of different kinds of application, here is the fourth revolution is characterized by the fusion of technology and how we can use it. There are different ways to do it, because in future classrooms we'll be using augmented reality, virtual reality, internet of things, means all the gadgets, everything is connected to internet, artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. We will be using robotics in the classroom, big data analytics, cloud computing, cyber security. These are very familiar words to all of us. Then 3D printing, digital simulation, robotics, all these we have to learn as a teacher, that how I am going to deliver to this to my children, my students. So next generation, that is education 4.0, it is one of the biggest challenge, and I'll say it is opportunity, because whenever there is change in education, there are opportunities as well. So I'm very sure that all the teachers and students, they will enjoy this phase of education 4.0, and we are ready for that, because from last almost 2 years we all know how to teach online, and students also know how to learn online. So I think in the laboratories, if we are doing some virtual reality experiments and we are using robotics, I think it will not a big deal for the school teachers. So thank you, my dear friends. That's for today.